Hey buddies, welcome to my channel Study Buddy. In this channel, I'll be uploading all the solutions from CBSE Class 10 Mathematics. So today we are going to solve the second problem of exercise 2.3 from the polynomials chapter. So let's get started with the second question. Question number 2. Check whether the first polynomial is a factor of the second by dividing the polynomials by the second one with the first polynomial. So they have given us three sets of polynomials which we have to divide the first polynomial by the second and find if they are the factors of each other. So for that they have given us three sets of polynomials which we have to divide by the second polynomial by the first and determine if they are the factors of each other. So moving on to the solution. I'm considering let p of t equal to 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. Here I take g of t equal to t square minus 3. So let us divide p of t by gt. So I take gt as the divisor and p of t as the dividend. So by division, that is the first term of the coefficient or the quotient, that is 2t power 4 by t square gives us 2t square. Since t square and t power 4 get cancelled and it becomes 2. So which gives us 2t square. For the second term of the quotient, you write 3t cube by t square equals to 3t. So that is the second term of the quotient. Moving on to the third term of the quotient, which gives us 4t square by t square. T square and t square gets cancelled and gives us 4. So 4 is the third term of the quotient. So here the quotient, that is q of t, is equal to t square plus 3t plus 4. Hence the remainder, that is r of t, is equal to 0. As the remainder is 0, hence you get t square minus 3 is a factor of the polynomial. Moving on to the second bit. X square plus 3x plus 1 and 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. So for this one, let us divide the second polynomial, that is p of x equal to 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2 by, that is q of x, that is x square plus 3x plus 1. So this gives us 3x square minus 4x plus 2 as the quotient. For that you have to take the first term of coefficient to be written as 3x power 4 by x square, which gives us 3x square. The second term of the quotient is minus 4x cube by x square, which gives us minus 4x. The third term of the quotient can be written as 2x square by x square. The terms get cancelled and gives us 2. Here the quotient, that is q of x, equals to 3x square minus 4x plus 2. So here the remainder, that is r of x, is always equal to 0. So we have 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2 equal to x square into 3x plus 1 and 3x square minus 4x plus 2 plus 0. As the remainder is 0, hence the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. So moving on to the third question, that is x cube minus 3x plus 1 and x power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. So moving on to the third solution, it gives us that let us take some p of x to be equal to x power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square minus 3x plus 1. Here g of x is always equal to x cube minus 3x plus 1 as mentioned in the question. So let us divide p of x by q of x. So this q of x is the remainder and the co-divisor, and the p of x is the dividend. So for the first term of the quotient, I take x power 5 by x cube equal to x square and minus x cube by x square to be equal to minus 1. And here the quotient, that is q of x, is equal to x square minus 1 as obtained by the above steps. Here the remainder, that is r of x, is 2. As the remainder is not 0, you're going to get to know that x cube minus 3x plus 1 is not a factor of x power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square by 3x plus 1. So we have finished solving the second problem of this exercise. In my next video, you'll find the solutions for the remaining problems. So do refer my channel for further videos. Thank you.